Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll show you how to create an AMM liquidity pool on Raydium. If you watched our previous video, we used the playground to create a token and paired it with Solana's native token to get an open book market ID. Our playground is designed to interact with the Solana DevNet, which is the developer environment of the Solana blockchain, and here no real money is involved. This network is provided for our users to test their ideas. This way, they can learn, analyze, and estimate the cost of launching DeFi projects without spending a penny. So, if you're new to Web3 or have an idea, I encourage you to request some Solana Faucet airdrops and test everything. Let me quickly show you how to use our playground. Simply open the Settings panel from the right sidebar and select the Playground option from Networks. Also, to see the details of transactions on DevNet, we need to change the Phantom Wallet network. So open the Phantom Wallet, go to the Settings, select the Developer Settings, and activate Testnet mode. Now, all of our operations will be performed on the DevNet. To create an AMM liquidity pool, we need a token and a market ID. We can select our token by either choosing it from this list or pasting its mint address. For the market ID, we can find the address in our activities. So let's open it and click on the Open Book Market message and simply copy the market ID and paste it here. Now we need to define how many tokens we're going to put into the pool. Depending on the DeFi project and its tokenomics, the amount of base tokens that are put into the pool varies. But for most meme token projects, developers usually put 90 to 95% of the tokens into the pool and keep the rest in their wallet. This way, people can understand that the developers still hold a small percentage of tokens, and because of that, they are willing to work on this project. The amount of quote token is also very important. The higher amount creates a better balance and helps our liquidity pool grow in a healthier way. For now, let's put 3 SOL. Notice that it is also possible to snipe our liquidity pool right after creation. Soon, I'll make another video to show you how to snipe your liquidity pool and also what considerations you must have to avoid snipers. Now, let's create the pool. In this transaction, we are sending our base and quote tokens to the pool, and in return, we are receiving some LP tokens, which represent our proportional ownership of the liquidity pool. Wait a second for it to process. Done. We have successfully created an AMM v4 liquidity pool on Raydium. Now, as we used our playground to create this pool, it will not appear on websites like DexScreener. So, to test if it is correctly created, we can take another approach. Open the Activities panel. Refresh it, select the message from the liquidity pool creator, and click on the Page button. This is the page we specifically provide for our users who create a token on our website. Since we've created a pool, we can now interact with it and buy or sell tokens. Let's buy some tokens first. If I put 0.1 SOL, it will show us how many tokens we'll receive, and if I click on Swap, the Phantom Wallet is also showing the exact numbers. Now let's sell some tokens. To sell tokens, we need to click on this arrow to reverse the swap action and set the amount of tokens we want to sell. Again, the system is calculating and showing the amount of SOL that we'll receive. If I click on Swap, the Phantom Wallet shows the exact amount of tokens we'll sell and the SOL we'll receive. Done. We have successfully created a liquidity pool on the Solana DevNet and swapped some tokens and verified that our liquidity pool is correctly created. You can follow the exact same approach for the mainnet and start your real DeFi project. Make sure to switch the network settings back to the mainnet and disable testnet mode on your Phantom Wallet. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for our next tutorial where I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw tokens from our liquidity pool. If you liked our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Also, leave your questions in the comments section below, and we're always here to help.